Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we're continuing on with the exercises. So I'm in Domain 2, Exercise 2. So as always, we need to open up the file from the Office Master 19 YouTube channel. And the file today we're going to open up is Sports.xlsx. So it's the spreadsheet file Sports.xlsx. So that's now open there now. So for the first question, we need to highlight cells C12 to C16. So C12 to C15. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to go to Formulas. I'm going to define name, and I want to give that a name of expenses. Okay, so I'm just going to put in expenses in here. Okay, and then click OK. So the next question then is to define a name here as well. So I'm going to go to Formulas, define name, and back to define name. And this one is going to be called revenue. So just bear with me now. So basically, by defining a formula name, you can just reference the formula. So I've called cells C18 to C21 expenses. So if I want to sum them up, I can just go equals sum expenses then in brackets, okay? So now the next question then is we've to use the paste special feature. So I'm going to highlight the cells here. So I'm going to highlight G12 going down to G16. I need to click on home. I need to click on copy. And now I'm going to do a paste special, okay? So I'm going down from C19 and counting down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to go to click on the drop down arrow here and paste. And I'm looking for numbers, values and number formatting. So I click on that, okay? So now I'm going to press escape on my keyboard because I don't want to keep that diamond box active. Okay, so the next question is we need to autofill the cells. So I'm going to autofill cell E9 to H9, okay? So I click into the right hand corner here and I drag across. So it's very important that you just drag across there, okay? So now I've dragged that across. Now I just want to move my window out of the way there a bit, okay? So now the next question then is to apply the currency format. So I'm going to highlight C12 to C15. I'm going to click on my drop down arrow, grey arrow dialog box on number. And then I'm going to select currency and I'm going to change that to 2 and click OK. Now again, I want to just move this little box here a bit. Okay, and now I need to do the same now with C18 to C21. Again, I highlight the cells. I want to apply the currency. Click on the drop down arrow here. Go to currency and I want to apply 2 decimal places. So it's 2 here, okay? So just click OK on this one. Okay, so now the next question is to name the table sports. So I click into the table. So it's very important. You've got to click into the table. I'm going to click into table design. And here under table name here, so it's table name, it's table 2 at the moment, so I'm just going to type in sports, and you've got to press enter, okay, so that's very important, okay, so I press enter on that one. So now the next thing is to clear the conditional formatting from column L, so I click on column, the letter L to highlight column L, I click on drop down arrow on conditional formatting, clear rules and clear rules from select cells. So I just click on that and that's now removed. And now I need to apply conditional formatting to column M. So I click on the letter M to highlight column M. I go to conditional formatting and I need a data bar, a green data bar, gradient fill data bar. So I just click on that there, data bars. Okay. And then the final question then is to do a spark line, a column spark line in cell I6. So I click into I6. I go to insert. And then I go to column. Okay, so this is important. You've got to be in the column where you want to insert it. So I'm in I6, okay. So now I'm clicking on the drop down arrow and the question asks you to use the months. So I'm going from B6 all the way over to H6, okay. So I'm highlighting and dragging over. So that's just careful, watch out for that. I click on the drop down arrow here and click OK. And now I want to copy them down. So again, like we did earlier on, you get the corner of the box and you basically drag it down, okay. And that then replicates the spark lines there. Okay, so that's brilliant. That's domain 2, exercise 2 there completed. And we'll see you shortly then on the next domain, which is domain 3, exercise 1, okay? So that's brilliant. Thanks a million for watching and take care.